I'm Dr. Mahesh Verma, Vice Chancellor of Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, which is located in New Delhi, India. I also happen to be the President of International Association of Dental Research, India Division, and the Science Committee member of FTI. Digital dentistry reshaping the future of dentistry. We all know that dentistry has changed a lot in the last couple of decades. There has been a total digital transformation, and there is in fact, paradigm shift from something which was being done with hands or digit skill to something which is totally digital today. So in the presentation, we are going to talk about what is digital dentistry, why we need digital dentistry, how are we going to practice digital dentistry, what technologies we are going to utilize, what challenges this faces, and how do we forecast future of digital dentistry in coming times. Before we divulge any further in these technological advancements, I would like to take a moment here to explain what is digital dentistry. Digital dentistry is defined as any dental technology or device that incorporates digital components in contrast to that of mechanical or electrical alone. Why digital? Digitalization has penetrated almost all sectors of life, and so has dentistry. It improves the accuracy and helps to visualize the treatment outcome. It provides an edge over the decision making, has better precision, is quicker in performing treatment that is ergonomically sound. It requires, although an initial investment in terms of cost and time, but brings about improved efficiency. It helps in making complex restorations, allows better storage and communication, acts as a great patient education tool, and at the same time permits error detection. How we can digitalize? Let's take a note of what are some of the latest technological trends revolutionizing digital dentistry. The first step in the oral health treatment journey is to get an X-ray done or a radiograph done. Oral images help us in diagnosis and treatment planning. Digital radiography combines the power of computer technology with electronic sensors. Various digital radiographs such as RVD, CBCT, MRI, and CT scans are all digital based these days. Instead of printing out on a film, the image forms almost as soon as sensor is placed in the mouth and projected to a computer screen. More specifically, digital dental X-rays are cheaper, quicker, clearer, and safer than normal radiography. The radiation exposure is far less when it comes to digital radiography. They help to diagnose even the small minuscule lesions and augment early detection. And that not only that, digital X-rays allows easier storage of oral health records. Photography has always been an integral part of dentistry. The application of digital photography in dental practice is simple, fast, and extremely useful in documenting procedures as an educational tool, pursuing clinical investigation, referral, and in academics and research, thus providing many benefits to the dentist and the patients. Next in the sequence is rapid prototyping. The term rapid prototyping means a set of technology that allows the fabrication of a physical model based on digital data, all through with the aid of computers. This enables virtual visualization, planning, designing, and real-time production of complex defects. There are two different kinds of techniques used for this. One is additive and another one is subtractive machining. Subtractive prototyping is a method wherein material is subtracted from an initial block of material to prepare the restoration. Subtractive methods might have some limitation like precision fit, considerable wastage of raw material, and not being very economical. Thus, additive prototyping was introduced. The frequent additive prototyping adopted in dental practice are stereolithography, inkjet-based systems, selective laser sintering, and fuse deposition modeling. AR, augmented reality, basically means an enhanced version of the real physical world. Augmented reality uses the existing real world environment and puts virtual information on top of it to enhance the experience. In contrast, virtual reality allows an extremely different environment, a virtual world created by computers. There is a wide scope of AR in dentistry. Its application ranges from diagnosis of a carious lesion to being used as an educational tool and assisting in surgeries. Artificial intelligence increases the power of computers to think and complete tasks currently performed by humans with greater speed, accuracy, and lower resource utilization. Let us revisit how AR can be used as a patient education tool and help to foresee the outcome of the treatment. It must be appearing fictional, but just imagine how would it be if you could carry out the patient selection, explore the radiographs in the data bank, complete the information sheet merely by movements of fingers. The assistance may also be provided during lesion detection as well as performing the treatment. Robots are artificial creatures that mimic human actions. There are broadly three kinds of robots: surgical robots to assist doctors in various surgical interventions, care robots are mainly created for seniors, exoskeleton robots assist in rehabilitating people and aid in the recovery from serious ailments. There are various robots assisting dentists to perform implant surgeries, even RCTs, and are used by dental students as phantoms for learning dental skills or dental procedures. Teledentistry is a technology that encompasses telecommunication and dentistry. It has been proven to be a boon, especially during COVID pandemic. It has minimized the visits of patients until absolutely essential. It is used as an aid in consultation, diagnosis, treatment planning, communication to the patient, referral, and learning by the students. With T-scan, we are able to obtain exact data which was not possible with traditional occlusal indicator methods. It augments in identifying premature contacts, high forces, and interrelation of occlusal surfaces. It has been well documented that different disorders can produce different vibration patterns in joints, including the TMJs. The assessment of vibrations using joint vibration analysis, called JVA, has the potential to provide data that could be used to assess the status of the joint. Apart from the enumerated technologies, other wide applications are consultation, imaging, diagnosis, treatment planning, making impressions, processes fabrication through CAD/CAM, shade matching, guided surgeries, research, education, training, communication to the patient, and practice management. So the whole lot of dentistry is impacted by digital dentistry. Let's visualize what is going to happen in the future with the digital dental world. Wearable and monitoring devices. How about before a patient enters the clinic setup, you are aware of the details of the patients with vibration on the wrist by a smartwatch. Smart teeth are the chips implanted that can detect saliva's pH, food intake, the intake of acidic beverages, blood alcohol level, etc., and analyze the data via artificial intelligence and big data analytics to develop patterns and association. CRISPR, a game changer for many reasons. The most important is ease of usage as compared to conventional gene editing tools. Similarly, the creation of 3D models and prints provides better accuracy, improves the patient's experience, and makes processing much faster. Assessing virtual jaw movements, these measurements assist in making restorations even more patient-specific in order to improve the patient's occlusion. Smart toothbrushes are AI-empowered toothbrushes to provide feedback on the effectiveness of brushing. The brush is connected to an app via Bluetooth, which reveals the effectiveness of brushing and provides a warning about excess pressure while brushing and also the appropriate time. Regenerative dentistry. In the current era, we have reached the mindset that with advancing age, teeth get affected by various defects, lesions, and the function is rehabilitated by the prosthesis. However, the field of regenerative dentistry challenges this preconceived idea with developments that can lead to self-healing teeth and biological therapy for the damaged teeth. Digital games. Gamification has a good potential to change behavior in the form of learning, performing, and maintaining proper hygiene. So the next question is, what challenges does the digital dentistry bring along? Digital dentistry brings many challenges to both dentists and the dental team as well as the patients. Despite the revolutionary technologically trend, doubts on ethical questions are raised under various aspects such as transparency, justice, fairness, non-maleficence, replicability, responsibility, and privacy. As dental practitioners becoming increasingly reliant on these contemporary technologies, there is a great potential for this data to be accessed for the malicious activity. So, finally, to sum up, we feel that reshaping the future of dentistry with digital health is the most emerging trend. Augmenting healthcare with revolutionizing technologies like teledentistry, artificial intelligence has become very pivotal. At the same time, human primary care still remains a vital requirement for attaining a sustainable health system. The goal behind digitalization is to achieve universal health coverage, UHC, and sustainable development goals by making health accessible, affordable, and equitable distributed to create a better tomorrow. Thank you.